Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Sean Mullen, and I just want to first thank you for your support. I really do appreciate it. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that anytime I release a video, you will receive the notification. Thank you again. I wanted a few seconds to talk about the video I'm about to show you. It was recorded from my hospital bed. I just wanted to send a message out and videos out, just to give you guys a message about this amazing business. And even though I was in pain, I sent it out. So if you watch the video and I don't look excited, trust me, I was freaking excited. I was simply amazed at what this business is able to do for you. So, make sure you watch to the end of the video I'm about to show you, because I have an amazing webinar I want to show you and give you access to. But you can't get access to it until you watch it to the end. And then I'll give you a link, and then you can go and have a look at it. So that's it for now. I'm going to show you the video right now, and thank you for your support. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. I'm going to find a place online, an opportunity online, a legit business online that you can use to accomplish and achieve your dreams and goals in life and get the financial freedom you need to save money in this world today. Are you one of those people that want to find a legit business? Or are you someone that jumps from business to business, that jumps from opportunity to opportunity? The next golden opportunity comes along and you just jump onto it to get that next quick, rich money into your system. It doesn't work, because I've done that. I've been there. I've been there where you jump from different opportunity, and all you're doing is you're starting over and over. Each opportunity you start from the beginning again. You start all over. And all you're doing is wasting time. You're wasting money. I've been there. I've done that. But if you want to find a legit business where you can get paid every Wednesday for doing just 1 hour a day, pay $20 a month, have a free phone app that operates your business 100% from your phone, and have some free training to a proven system, check the video below. I guarantee you, if you follow the system, you'll have success that you want.